All right, let's pull back the curtain on something that, honestly, affects every single tap, click, and swipe you make on your devices. We're talking about software testing. Think of it as this invisible shield standing between you and, well, total digital chaos.
You totally know that feeling, right? You're in the middle of something important, you're in the zone, and bam, the app just vanishes. It's so frustrating, and it happens all the time. But what if the stakes were a little higher?
Okay, now that is a whole different level of problem, isn't it? A simple glitch just turned into a major headache. We're talking real-world stress, maybe even financial trouble. It's not just an annoyance anymore, it's a critical failure.
And here's the thing, these aren't just random accidents. There's an entire army of professionals working behind the scenes to prevent these meltdowns before they ever get to your screen. And that, my friends, is the world of software testing.
So let's dive right in. I want you to think of testing as the unsung hero of our digital world. It's the thing working in the shadows to make sure our apps are reliable, secure, and, actually fun to use.
So here's the official, kinda textbooky definition. But it's about so much more than just finding what's broken. It's really about verifying that the software meets every single one of its promises, from what you, the user, need to what the business wants to achieve. Testers are kind of like digital detectives, making sure no promise is left unkept.
And that right there, that just nails the core mission. It's a proactive hunt for problems. The goal is super simple. Let a trained professional find a glitch in a safe, controlled environment so millions of us don't have to discover it out in the wild.
We throw that word around all the time, right? A software bug. But what does that actually mean, from a technical point of view? Let's get a really clear definition on that.
At its core, a bug is just a mismatch. Simple as that. The software was supposed to do one thing, but in reality, it did something else. You click submit, and you expect a confirmation, but instead you get some weird error. That gap, that space between expectation and reality, yep, that's the bug.
Okay, theory is great and all, but let's see how this stuff actually works in the real world. We're going to go undercover and investigate something we all use every single day, a simple login page.
This shows you the tester's mindset perfectly. It's not just about checking if things work, it's about actively trying to break them. So first, you try the happy path. Does it work when I do everything right? Then the fun begins. What if I use the wrong password? What if I don't enter anything at all? And crucially, does it fail gracefully with a helpful message? Or does it just crash and burn?
See, by exploring all these different possibilities, testers make sure the feature is solid. They're making sure it not only works when things go right, but that it also behaves predictably and helpfully when things inevitably go wrong.
So we've seen what testing is and how it works. But why does all this effort actually matter? Let's get to the bottom line, the final verdict. What's the real-world value of getting this stuff right?
This is the big payoff. Good testing confirms the app actually works. It catches those nasty bugs early on, and it builds a high-quality, reliable product. Plus, it makes sure the software delivers on its business promises, which protects the company's reputation. But all of that leads to the most important thing of all, a better, smoother, less frustrating experience for you.
All right, your turn. The best way to really get a concept is to try it yourself. So we're going to give you a quick mission to get you started on thinking like a quality assurance pro.
Let's do it. Time to shift your perspective from just being a user to being an investigator. This little exercise is the absolute foundation of how every great tester looks at their work.
So your mission, should you choose to accept it, is pretty straightforward. Pick a website you use all the time, social media, email, whatever. Then, just like we did, think of 3 test scenarios. One where everything's perfect, one where you type something wrong, and one where you leave the fields completely blank.
And that's it. Just by thinking through those 3 simple steps, you've taken your very first step into the tester's mindset. You're no longer just using the software, you're questioning it. And that right there is the heart and soul of quality assurance. We've talked a lot about how testing prevents problems, but what happens when it doesn't? What are the real-world consequences when a huge, critical bug slips through the cracks and causes a massive software failure? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore in our next explainer. See you then.